Well, haven't been on again for a couple of days because we've had rain and everything else here. And this week, actually tomorrow, I have to go in for a CT scan. I did one about a year ago. He said, well, we got to do another one and check the progress of leukemia and all that sort of stuff. Last time they found out my lymph system was pretty much inflamed or whatever. And so I'm expecting it's going to be probably just about as bad. I did my blood test the other day. The white cell count was up to 24,000. Normal is between 8 to 10,000, so mine's way above normal, which I figured anyway. The serum protein, which my doctor's been, the oncologist has been trying to figure out. It's still up there. Don't really know why. So I don't know. I have no idea. The only thing is, I don't feel bad. I'm still able to do everything. I don't know. Well, anyway, last night I started pulling some parts out of this, what is that? The signal generator and tracer that I had the other day. It's from 1962. And so I have some new parts in it. The only thing I was stumped about so far has been the electrolytics, since they're really there's multiple sections on each one, so each one's got at least 3 sections to it. So I'm going to show you what those are like, and then show you what I did on it. I'm going to try to see if I can use the camera going through my lighted magnifier and see if I can, pick up stuff easier on that than normal. I don't remember if I've done it that way before, but I'm going to try it anyway. So, and the dog falls asleep on my lap. Come on, Chubbs. Can I get down? Okay. So, I'm going to get over here and tilt down. And there's my magnifier. Let's see, I'm going to bring this down some too, I think. I'll come in, and then we'll see what we can see. I'll leave it right there. So I can get most of it. But anyway, and where's my pointer at? I always forget that. Yeah. Well, I'll use this. Here are the caps I put in. The ones that he replaced were those two there. The .047s. These are actually 2.047s, new ones I just bought not more than a month ago. And the other one is a, let's see, it was supposed to be a, what was it? 0.068, and that's what this one is. This is a 0.068 up here. So those have been replaced. They pretty much all go to the same area over here. Mine is a bit different because I added a terminal strip to solder to. Just made it easier rather than what they did was they soldered this in right to the chassis. And I said, well, that wasn't too good. So I figured, I'll do a better one. Then over here, look down there. I'll get closer if you can see that. Our place is 0.1. it's actually overkill because it's thinks it's only supposed to be 200 volts and it's 600. So I figure overkill is better than underkill any day. And the capacitors. Now that's going to be another fun one. These big electrolytics. I have to tilt down. I'll bring it straight down this time. Tilt up, I think, maybe. I don't know. Let's see if we can get something in there. Let's see, will that work? Well, let's see if I get the angle right. I might be able to get it to work. But of course I can't. Well, that's not going to work. I thought I could get it to work that way, but it's not going to work. I'll just use this for light anyway. So what we're going to see there is these two metal cans, these guys here, some big ones up there, and in fact I'm going to do something else. I'm going to take this off the tripod. Take it off so I can get it in there closer. But and if you take a look at these, when you look at the bottom of these capacitors, you'll notice there's a legend on the side of the capacitors. It'll be a diamond and a square and something else. Well, let's get back here. But normally it's inside, right inside here. You'll see it up in there. The pointer's gone again. Oh, anyway. There's a diamond, a square, whatever, at the very bottom. And then it also shows on the can itself, it'll have what those mean on the side. Like, in this case, it's 50, 50, and 40 microfarads. And so if you take a look at the bottom, it'll say down here what each one is. You'll see, like, you know, a square and a triangle right there. You see those. You can make them out. And it does the same thing with the other one. They also have those so that you can tell what capacity or the rating is on the bottom for each capacitor. So you won't get messed up that way. And what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go ahead and clip these off of the electrolytic, and then I'm going to wire up new electrolytics to it, and basically bypassing the two cans. And in that way there we'll be able to have new capacitors, and they will at least we won't have them wired to the old ones. So if the old ones were open or shorted or whatever, by clipping the leads off, we'll make sure that adding new capacitors isn't going to mess anything up. They aren't going to be messed up. So anyway, that was the main thing I wanted to show you today, and my progress on this signal generator tracer that's made by Accurate Instrument Company, and it's a model 153. And so anyway, we will continue on with this, and I'll share my progress later. Bye for now.